What's going on, everybody? It's PK. I'm back here with an unboxing video. This is the AKAI MPC Live 2 Special Retro Edition. It's been on my radar for a while now, and always had a passion for making beats and things like that. I know the music industry has always been evolutionary industry, has always evolved in terms of the sound at the time, but my true passion is just music and beats, and I want to make what I want to make, and I want to share it with the world. I want to share it with you guys. So I bought this product here to, I wanted to get out of the box and like meaning the computer and have something hands-on. Maybe I want to grab a sample. I also DJ, you guys know that, and maybe it's an old school sample, maybe it's a new sample, and I just want to be able to have the ability to put that in this machine here and just get it on the pads and just chop it up and just bring something cool and creative to the space. So I'm gonna open it up right here. This thing is pretty cool because it's a rechargeable battery, has multiple inputs, it has a built-in monitor. That alone, have battery operated and having a built-in monitor subtracts two things that you need: is power and the sound. So you can be on the go, you can be on the beach, you can be on vacation, you could pack this thing up, put it in a little carry case, and be making beats somewhere around the world or wherever draws inspiration. Maybe it's a local park, maybe it's a family friend, maybe it's your family's house, your girlfriend, significant other. So without further ado, open this up with you guys here. It's also has Ableton Live link integration. A lot of features I'll show you on the back of the box here. This is just some of the outputs: USB, Ethernet, power, turn the speaker on, off, masters, headphones, phonos, SD cards, MIDI. It's just a pretty powerful thing. MPC is always, AKAI has always made MPCs, and oh, look at this, this is beautiful. I know I'm gonna have to read the instructions because it's been a while. I'm gonna have to get acclimated, but looking forward to messing with this. For the dust cloth, instruction manual, put that to the side. Nice styrofoam package in here. This must be a power supply. I'm assuming it's the power cord here. Let's see. It is power cord. Kind of looks like Ethernet, but I don't know. Gotta double check. Here we go. Power cord. Look at this beauty right here. I went with the special edition, the retro, because I love this colorway. It reminds me of the old MPC 2000 XLs and the ones from back in the day. A lot of beat makers over time have inspired me, especially Kanye West being one of the biggest to inspire me into making music many years ago. And it's been one of my passions, has been on and off for years, but I think I'm gonna stick with this as a beat making enthusiast. We'll see what I can create with this thing. We go right here, built-in monitors, put like maybe a solid state hard drive in here. Some of the tips I've seen online already is just using this USB ports here to put store your music on here and your sounds on there, rather than eating up all the memory on this device. But I'm gonna turn it on. I should have some more videos for you over the course of putting things together. Be more than happy to share any tips I pick up. If you guys, there's things you want to see, you want me to try out with it, reach out to me, hit me up in the comments. I appreciate it if you like the video, if you do like the video, and subscribe. that stuff just helps me out, help me to grow. And I plan on doing some more things for you guys for 2023, some giveaways and things of that nature, and just things to, engage you guys. Till next time, PK, I'm signing off. Peace.